Welcome to White Label Dating's The Inside Track, an exclusive video series bringing you all of the latest news from the online dating industry, tips and tricks to help you grow your online dating site's marketing campaigns, keeping you up to date with all of the latest product releases and enhancements from White Label Dating, and so much more.
On this month's episode of The Inside Track, Seb, our head of White Label Dating, will be talking about the projects that we've undertaken to help double our USA conversion rate. And Dave, our Chief Revenue Officer, will be sharing the initial results of our brand new CrossSell tool and how we've helped to grow our partners' ROI per registration by up to 25%.
Hi everyone, I'm Seb, I'm the head of White Label Dating. I'd like to start July's Inside Track by giving you some insight into the incredible sustained performance that our partners are seeing across the White Label Dating platform. One key metric that I'd like to focus on is the platform's same-day conversion rate. As a reminder, a same-day conversion is recorded when a basic registration upgrades their membership to a paid subscription on the very same day that they joined the dating site. This metric gives our partners a solid indicator of the quality of traffic that they are driving to their dating sites, as well as a view on how well the platform is performing. Of course, it's important to remember that not all traffic is going to convert on the same day that a member joins a site, but understanding this metric helps our partners to measure their return on investment far quicker and enables them to make faster decisions around optimization to maximize their return. If users don't convert on the same day that they join, then our in-house engagement team will aim to get them back onto the site as soon as possible and into the billing cycle through a range of on-site communication and engagement emails too. We also work to generate our partners a greater ROI through the use of CrossSell. CrossSell gives members that haven't upgraded on the site that they initially joined the opportunity to sign up to an alternative site within a partner's portfolio, helping to drastically maximize revenue generation at no additional cost for our partners. There is only an upside to CrossSell, so ensure you create diverse dating offers across your portfolio. Later in this video, Dave, our Chief Revenue Officer, will talk more about the initial results from our cross-sell project that launched in June, including how much of an increase our partners have seen in yield per registration and what we can anticipate for revenue growth as the project continues. But for now, back to same-day conversions. Last month, our mainstream conversion rate platform-wide saw a month-on-month growth of 4%, as well as demonstrating a 32% increase versus January, historically our highest converting month of the year. Impressive growth was seen across all territories, as notable uplifts since January coming from the UK, showing an awesome 29% growth in conversion. Across our casual network so far in July, our same-day conversion rate has shown a 5% increase compared to the same-day conversion results that we saw in June, which many of our partners mentioned was an incredibly strong month indeed. The territory with the largest increase was the USA, benefiting from a 17% increase. Compared to January this year, the same-day conversion rate has increased by a staggering 133%. That's right, the same-day conversion has more than doubled. This uplift has been the result of a number of payment projects that have taken place since the beginning of the year, including the introduction of a new native payment processor, alongside ongoing efforts to optimize our billing processes. The main goal of these payment projects were to focus on incremental gains and capture payments wherever possible. Our approach to payments has become far more granular, with deployments in mid-April that help to optimize payments on a browser and even a device level. This led to the impressive improvements in our new conversion rates, as I mentioned earlier, and we're continuing to see the both same-day and longer-tail conversions grow across all networks and all territories. We've also been working with some exciting new AI and reporting tools to help with things like churn rate, payment alerts, growth of LTVs, and so much more. We'll be sharing more with you on this in due course. As I've just highlighted, despite all of our territories performing extremely well as we progress through 2020, our USA network has certainly shown some of the largest growth and presents huge opportunity for portfolio expansion. If you want to begin exploring this territory, then please get in touch with our partner team today, and we'll be happy to guide you in the right direction. I'll now pass you over to Dave, our Chief Revenue Officer, who is going to share with you the initial results of our cross-sell project and when you can expect to utilize our brand new dating.
Hi, I'm Dave, and I'm the Chief Revenue Officer here at White Label Dating. Last month, I spoke about the introduction of our brand new cross-sell tool. This offers partners an additional 11 zones on desktop and 23 new zones on mobile to help cross-sell their mainstream traffic from one site to another within their portfolio at no additional cost. Cross-sell can go from a broadly targeted site to a more niche site on the same or a different network. Popular examples are from a broad mainstream site to a mature, single-parent or casual dating site. Our team has been working tirelessly to fill as many zones as possible across our mainstream network over the past 2 weeks, and the results so far have been incredible. In just the first 10 days following the implementation, the first set of banners, 11% of our total registration count came from cross-sell. Not only this, 12% of all upgrades were a direct result of the new banners across these zones. The same-day conversion rate of the cross-registered traffic is above the platform average, with longer tail conversions following suit. Within the zones being rolled out incrementally, we're confident these percentages will only grow, meaning our partners will see an increased yield from the traffic they are driving, enabling them to bid more aggressively when it comes to acquiring members in online auctions, for example, through Google or Bing. We're forecasting an increase in yield of between 20 and 25% as the project continues. This is a material difference when it comes to planning how much our partners can afford to spend when acquiring a registration. All of the current zones are performing better than anticipated, with a more recent zone increasing the volume of cross-sell registrations by a massive 91%. The opportunity to generate incremental revenue across our partners' businesses is huge. We're excited to update you on how this project progresses in the coming weeks as the team continues to implement more banners across new zones every day. Now, if you're an active partner and aren't yet seeing an uplift from this project, please do contact your partner team to express your interest in growing your portfolio through the use of the new CrossReg tool. It's a great time to start planning your implementation strategy to boost the return you're getting on your current traffic for no additional cost. Not only this, the tool is going to form a major part of our network niching project to support the population of the new networks that we're currently building. This will be a supplementary strategy to ensure that these new networks can reach a strong critical mass as quickly as possible, so that the traffic that you're acquiring through active acquisition and spend has the highest propensity to upgrade and generate a return. Now, as well as the successful launch of the CrossSell tool in June, the White Label Dating team has been progressing well with our brand new dating dashboard. Replacing the partner portal, the dating dashboard will be completely self-serve and introduce an incredible amount of new features and tools to help our partners profitably grow their dating businesses with ease. We have invested a huge 7-figure sum annually into the technology stack. It's going to be fully cloud-based and will offer cutting-edge reporting, forecasting, and optimization tools. A select number of top partners will be utilizing the new reporting features as early as next week. Following the dating dashboard launch in the coming weeks, we'll be progressively inviting more partners to utilize the new tool throughout the end of July and into August. If you're interested in gaining access, please do get in touch with our partner team as soon as possible. That's all from me this month. Please don't hesitate to get in touch if you have any questions. And thanks for listening.
Thanks for watching July's Inside Track. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you next month.